Claire, eyes on the footpath now, sweetie, please. You are? Jonesy's go cut it flat.
Jones also fancy not with the same.
Jones is doing what he likes.
Right, let's go.
Hi James. So if the cable snaps it a limb first.
Yeah. And then just whip its way straight through the centre of us.
Like, what's it that?
This way. What's that? Charlton trying to send it straight in there. Yeah. For that golf cut. What?
Yeah, it'd be like that ghost shit where that Y just jets through everybody in the middle.
Who says you're meant to golf cut at a different angle
Mm.
then? Is that you? No. Is it you that says God's meant to do it at an angle at the bottom?
Yeah.
What are you going to do that? But in like that?
No, best way is sort of have the bottom of it level and then come in on the angle from the top. But if you're doing timber, it's the reverse.
Timber.
Go on James, really wank it.
Good.
Fucker. Told you I was going to